What it do, guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video and all my videos, drop a comment down below, which is hashtag the grind is real. Share this video and all my videos on Instagram. Make sure you follow me at AppGrind. And once I reach 4,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick somebody that follow these guidelines, and they will get a chance to win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, subscribe now. Now let's get into this video. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on. You have tuned in to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you 4 best money-making apps to earn PayPal money quickly. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometimes I give away free money. So do me a favor, hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like, because it's going to help out this channel and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions on what I'm talking about today in this video. Also, don't forget to type hashtag the grind is real so you can get a chance to win this free money once I reach 4,000 subscribers. Also follow me on Instagram, because that's going to increase your chances of winning the free money. All you have to do is follow me on Instagram at AppGrind. Now, one more thing before I get into these apps. Can you please go subscribe to my other channel? It's called Random Reg TV. I'm also giving away some money there too. So once I reach 2,000 subscribers on that channel, I'm going to give away some free money. So go there right now. The link going to pop up right here in this video. Go up there, click on that, go to that channel, subscribe, and you'll get a chance to win some free money. All right, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you these 4 apps. Let's grind and let's get it, fam. All right, I'm on the internet and I'm in the Google Play Store. I'm at the first app. Now I'm gonna go through these apps pretty fast since I have 4 of them and I don't want to make this video too long. So this first app is Daily Raffle. So it's something like a little lotto app, and you're gonna win some money and you'll be able to cash out that money through PayPal or Bitcoin. So I'm gonna read a little bit about it right quick. So it says here, this is not like any other game. The chances to win are very high. Each ticket consists of 6 numbers between 1 and 9. To win, your numbers should match at least the first 4 in the same order of the ticket shown in the results. So basically that's how that works, and that's how you'll be able to win some money. So it's some luck involved, but it's very fun to play. You don't have to pay any money like an actual lotto. So this is very good app. Now let's look at the rating right quick. So out of 5 stars is 4.6. That's excellent. Now let's read some reviews right quick. Okay, this person right here, Glamour, says, for me as a lotto player, this app is very exciting to play. That's why I rate this 5 stars, even though this is my first time installing and play this app. So this person they love this app. And let's look at this other person. So this other person named Joy, they said very fun app during this pandemic. You have a lot of time at home. This app is a great way to ease your boredom and gives you excitement. So Joy is very satisfied with this app. She's having fun with it. All right, that's all I'm gonna say about this app. So if you want to check out this app, go to Google Play, type in Daily Raffle. It's also available in the App Store if you have an iPhone. Now let me go ahead and go to the second app. Okay, I'm at the second app, and the name of this app is Google Opinion Rewards. I have talked about this app in the past. All these apps, I have brought them up in the past, but I haven't talked about them all at once in one video. And these are the best apps to make some money quickly, to make some PayPal money real quickly in 2020. So this is like another survey type of app, but this is one of the best survey type of apps out there. So let's go ahead and read a little bit about it real quickly now. So answer quick surveys, earn PayPal credit with the Google Opinion Rewards, an app created by the Google Surveys team. Getting started is easy. Download the app, answer some basic questions, and they also says on here that you will get $1 and you get $1 in play credit for completing it. So you get $1 in play credit to complete a survey. I know that's kind of low, but it can add up. Now let's scroll down here and look at the rating. So the rating out of 5 stars is 4.3, which is good. And let me just read one review here. Okay, let me read this one. I can't pronounce his name, but his last name is Husan. Okay, this is a great app to gain money for an in-app purchases. Make sure you use the credit with a year though. I don't know what that means, but I have accumulated about 60 cents within a year or two. I did lose a couple of bucks due to not using it on time. So I know 60 cents is not that much, but he hasn't been using it that much, so that's why he hasn't made that much money. All right, that's all I'm gonna say about this app. So this is one of the best surveys app out there, so just check it out, read up on it, download it, and start making some money. Now let me go ahead and go to the third app. All right, I'm at the third app, and the name of this app is UserFeel. So this type of app, what you're going to be doing is testing like apps and websites and giving your opinion. So you're going to be a tester. So this is like a usability type of testing app. And let me go ahead and read a little bit about it right quick. So usability testing is the easiest way to increase your website's performance. It lets you see your website with your user eyes. And so I just tell you what it does, what it's all about. And from my knowledge, I have used this before in the past. You get $10 for every test that you take on this app. Now, don't be discouraged with this rating. So out of 5 stars is 3.1. Now the reason why in the past they had some trouble with the app, so people was giving some kind of bad reviews on it. But they do have a website, so people was going to the website to finish doing their testing or getting their testing, because this app sometime would not load or go down or something like that. But from my knowledge, they got that fixed, so you can still download this app and be able to accomplish what you need to accomplish as far as usability and getting paid. So again, you get paid $10 for every test that you take. So that's all I'm going to say about this app. So if you're ready to go ahead and check out this app, go to UserFeel on Google Play. And I don't think it's available on the App Store. All right, let me go ahead and go to the last app. Okay, I'm at the last app, and the name of this app is Tap Tap Money. So with this app, you're gonna be doing a lot of different things to earn some PayPal money. So let's go ahead and read what it says. So you're gonna earn money by trying free apps, and you're gonna get free bonus points just for the signing up. And let's read down here and see what else they say. So click money. So earn real money by completing simple tasks. So you're going to be doing that. And you're going to be able to watch videos. Like I said before, try free apps, completing paid surveys, giving opinions, testing services, endorsements, and free trials. So they have a lot of things on here to offer for you to make some money quickly. Now, I'm not going to read all this, but I just told you a brief summary of what this app does and what it offers you to make some good money. So let's just scroll down here and look at the review. Now, out of 5 stars, it's 3.9. So it's close to 4. So this is an okay app. This is an okay app for us, the way it runs. Because what's going on is that some of these apps, they don't update for a while, and then they start crashing. So people have a bad experience with it. But once they upgrade it and get it going, then the app is running real good. So that's what they're complaining on here about. The app wasn't being updated. It was crashing and whatnot. But from my knowledge, they got that fixed and they're working pretty good now. So that's all I'm gonna say about this app. I mean, it has a lot to offer, has all different type of tasks. Again, I want to just tell you about these apps so I can just finish this video real quickly. So if you're ready to go ahead and try this app out, go to Tap Tap Money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get like 100 likes. I'm still looking for 100 likes, so please help me to get 100 likes. It's really going to help out my channel and this video if I can get 100 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about all 4 of these apps. I'll try my best to answer every comment that I see in the comment section. And don't forget to type hashtag The Grind is Real so you can get a chance to win this free money once I reach 4,000 subscribers. And share this. Yes, share this all around the internet, because I really, really do want to help everybody I can to become their own boss. It's 2020, it's a lot going on. It's time to become your own boss, become financially free. Let's do it, guys. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, Grind family, thanks again for tuning in. I appreciate you guys' support. Road to 4,000, road to 4,000 subs. We're coming. Let's do it. Let's get it. All right, guys, one more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace.
Get your grind on, yeah. 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 Get your grind on.